Welcome boys. In this video we will be replacing the air filter on our BMW E38 740IL. This is the oil filter brand we will be using. STP Sam Adams 7651. Airbox lives, or correction, the air filter lives in this here airbox. So what you have to do is use your screwdriver to loosen this hose clamp. Pull this little hose off the airbox so you can tilt it up. There's clamps around the side that you need to pop off. You can use your hands or a screwdriver to pry in there. Pop this one, this one, and that one off. We're then going to lift up the box. You can remove our old air filter. And then set our new one inside. Goes in the same way. Pleats facing down, so as to catch any of the dirty air coming in. If you had an excessive amount of dust and other particulate in there, you could vacuum it out now while you're here. We do not, so we don't need to. So we set that down in there. Go ahead and set the hose back. We'll clamp it back here in a second. Alright, with all the clamps in there, we should need to go ahead and tighten this hose. Hose clamp down. And then we're good. And then just go ahead and document the date, time, mileage. You did this service, so you'll know when to do it again next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.